Hey, YouTube, it's a Kindabmx. Got a new frame. I know, I know the camera is stupid because I'm using webcam, but yeah. Yeah, I don't have my camera on me. I got a new frame. It's the Hoffman bama frame, and yeah, this is my bike check. They just down right here. So I got the what is it? Scavenger Swift bars. Yeah, fly works. The Primo and 4HO front wheel hub guards. I both have, elected that. Uh, kink grips, fly stem, pretty nice. Again, the Hoffman bomber frame, pretty nice frame. But the first day, 5 minutes after I put it together, I scratched it. Where you drawing right there. Oh well, it's gonna happen. Mission, mission cranks, scavenger, what is it? Pedals, whatever. A Primo balance rim with skip. Yeah, I shot a rant hook pretty loud. Not that bad. Um, Odyssey Bluebird chain, pretty nice. 1/2 Lincoln. And a Verde sprocket. That's pretty much it. And I got a new king headset because my other one broke. Like this one's already breaking and starting to speak. You can't hear it though. But yeah. Um, Just it was a bitch in bottom bracket. Uh, on federal. It's like a chode, a seat post. As you can see right there. This frame pretty cool because you can take out the brake mounts. You can take all the brake mounts off and stuff. Yeah. And a poverty seat. Pretty good little seat post. And cake alpha grips. Actually, I actually like his grips. Kind of good. We're out quick though. And scavenger barns. Uh, yeah, I'll put up some edits soon. Oh, I also got shadow up there. It's gonna get it in there right now. And just, yeah. So yeah. I'll put up some edits soon. Oh, and also I have a animal TWW in the rear and a GLH in the front. And then thinking about riding, fitting Hoffman. I like Hoffman's frame's awesome. I recommend getting it. Alright, I'll put up some edits. Alright, peace.